Hey my beautiful sunshine gang, how are y'all? And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. And in today's video we are going to be reviewing this wig from the Dashley collection, and it is lace unit 8, and I got her in the color Money Piece Hazel. And this is how she's looking on the card. And y'all, let's just get into it. Okay, this color is everything. I just love the brown color. I love the dark roots. And it's like a yaki texture, and it's smooth. I like the waves. I like the body wave of this unit right here. And overall, I have reviewed a lot of these wigs from the Dashley collection, and one thing about it, they come through with the color every time. But what I don't like about this wig, like, she tangles a lot, y'all. Like, tangle. So if y'all are going to wear her out, you're definitely gonna have to keep a brush handy. And she's very, very long. And the details about lace unit 8, she has a deep center part with baby hair. She is saved up to 350 and 400 degrees, and she is by the brand Sensational with HD lace. And this is how the partner space looks. And she also comes in a variety of colors. But overall, I really do think this is like a really cute wig that you can wear for the summertime, especially the color. Like, just imagine when you step in the sunlight with this color and melanated skin. Like, talk about golden, bronze, brown, melanated, beautiful looking skin, hair, all the above. But yes, y'all, this is it for this video. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments, and I will also link my other wig reviews in the card below, and I will also link them in the description box below. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.